Want a break from the... If you tap now to watch a short... You'll receive 30 minutes of... Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short... You'll receive 30 minutes of...
This is perfect.
Dad, can I go play too? Can I?
I would feel better if you go play over on the sponge beds.
Otamura-san! What does yaoi mean?
It's okay, it's alright. As long as it doesn't come near us, we're gonna be okay.
Why don't you take your bath before moving those things? Then everyone can help you move them.
Oh, I guess that's true. However, since I'm already halfway through now, I think I'll just finish it by myself this time.
Fine.
Nene fall down go boom.